Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at a coin which just recently launched in April, and as of now, if you look at its price action, it seems like that we have a massive rug pull happening here. So we'll go over this coin and see what is going on here. So this kind of price action is happening recently. So if we try to look at mantra or om coin, same thing happened. And if we look at soul layer or layer token, same thing happened there as well. So what is going on here? So if we look at its overall action, ever since its launch it has been going up, as you can see here, and this was a pretty positive price action till now. But in just one day the token itself lost over, I believe, 50% of its market cap, and this is a massive dump, as you can see here. And this crash, and even if we look at their Twitter, there is no update on what is going on. Whereas if you look at mantra, as you can see here, same thing happened. And if we look at the soul layer, same thing happened. So it is unclear what happened with mantra as well. They say that it was a forced liquidations, and I believe the same story with layers, and I think the same story is around WalletConnect. But I think most likely we had a pretty good buying happening. As you can see here, we have a massive volume here, and we also have a massive volume here. So I believe we had massive buying happening here, and that massive buyer did actually pump the price, and eventually they sold it. As you can see here, we have a massive sale volume, as you can see here. So that means we had a lot of wallets basically offloading their tokens, WCT tokens. And even if you look at the availability of the token, it is available on Binance as well as OKX, even Upbit. So most of the thing that happened here actually happened on Upbit. As you can see here, we have a massive volume of over 400 million. And even if we look at perpetuals, we have a massive massive volume on the Binance. So whatever happened mostly happened on Upbit and Binance Future. So I believe this was most likely that once seller got the momentum, we had a lot of shorts happening most likely, and because of that the price pushed even lower. So I think we initially had some big whales offloading their tokens, as you can see here. So it should have stopped around here because that is where the support was very strong, and after that it went massively, it crashed massively. As you can see, I think that happened, it is most likely that we had a lot of shorts trader basically shorting the token, and I think we did have a lot of liquidations as well, as you can see here. So at peak the token actually ended up hitting 250 million market cap, which is massive, and in just I think 24 hours it went as low as 100 million market cap. It is a massive crash, as you can see here. So with that, first of all, do you if you don't know what the WalletConnect is, it is basically, as long as I understand, if you try to connect a wallet, you can basically connect your MetaMask or even your Trust wallet directly from your mobile to uh, on any browser using WalletConnect. So basically that is how I have been using their services. So um, I'm not sure about the other utilities that it can do, but that is what their main purpose is, I believe. Again, I'm not going in depth on what it does. So looking at the token itself, they just launched through Solana, and because of that I think the token had a massive pump, as you can see here, because there were a lot of basically they were giving around 5 million WCT tokens for free to, I believe, to phantom wallet users or something like that. and after that it started to pump. So looking at the utility of this token, it is used for staking, as you can see here. It is used for rewards as well, governance and fees. So there will be fees in the future. As of now, there are no fees if you use WalletConnect. So they are planning to do it they are planning to do it through the governance. We'll have to wait and see what it does. So it is a backbone of the WalletConnect network, offering utilities across that we just discussed. And as for the WCT token allocations, we had around 7% going towards developer, 17.5 to rewards incentives, 18.5 to airdroppers. So I think we had a lot of airdroppers taking the profit as well here, because if you look here, we had the token end up hitting around, I believe, 1.34, and we had a massive selling happening. It went to $1, and again it pumped after the phantom airdrop, and it ended up hitting 1.34 again, and after that it pumped, it crashed, as you can see here. So I think we had a lot of users selling the token, so that is another factor. I think the token went down. And as for the rest, we have team and backers getting over 30%, which is a massive supply, and I believe which is a massive supply out. The wallet WCT token has a max supply of 1 billion, so over around 300 million going towards team and backers, so that is a lot. And we have foundations getting around 27% as well. So if we look at the token logs, mostly I think most of them are locked, besides foundation and the airdroppers and the rewards as well. Some of them are locked and unlocked. As for the others, I think code development and team and backers are locked for up to 4 years, so there will be a massive cliff in the future. But this price action, I think, will be most likely one of the biggest thing that will have biggest impact when the token will recover, because if you look at Mantra, it hasn't recovered, and if you look at the Sol layer, again same story here, it hasn't recovered ever since its massive crash. So I think we will most likely continue to go down, and I'm looking at the support around I'm looking at the support of around, I believe, 28 cents, and once we hit this support, I think we could see momentum in the upward trend. But as of now, it doesn't seem like that it is possible, because this crash is just massive and we have no response from the team whatsoever. So it is a little bit weird what is happening with this token. But if you look at their Twitter, we have no statement or we have nothing from their Twitter. So I think this means that basically they have given up on what happened here, and I think this is going to impact the token price in the future, because a lot of traders who lost the money will not be putting anything back into WCT. So that is something that you should know. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.